What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KSW and I'm back with another banger. We making sweet and sour candy grapes, but we gonna add on the candy apples as well. We only need lemon and limes, 3 different flavors of jello, your utensils. You're going to need this, and you're going to need the grapes. Let's get started. First, we're going to clean the grapes. I'm forgetting my lights is not on, you guys. How y'all guys doing today? How y'all guys doing? Let me know in the comments, have y'all made these before? We're not gonna make too many. We're not going to make too many. I believe this should be enough. I'm not going to make a lot because it is only me. Now, I'm going to flip it around. We're going to flip them around. We're going to squeeze the lemon and lime. We're going to squeeze the lemon and lime in this bowl right here. I want to just make sure that y'all can see. We are going to use both lemon and limes, you guys. Now we're going to cut the other lemon. Can y'all see? I will take these seeds from out here in a minute. I'm going to be back. Now we're going to cut the apples. I know they big, but that's okay. Hold on, I'm looking for what top I can use. Okay, I'm back. I decided to cut the apples up like this. But what you're going to do next is you have to dry your apples. Put them on here so they can dry. Just do it like that. Just do it like that. Make sure they pat it dry. Okay, now they pat it dry. Now we're going to open these. Now we're going to open these. That's lime. This orange. I'm gonna put it right there. Strawberry. Now we're going to start with the apples first. Okay, my bad, y'all. My phone ended up running out of storage, so I had to delete some stuff. What I was saying, we're going to start off with the apples first. We're going to put a toothpick. Like that. I'm do a line. You gotta make sure it's coated, like real coating in here. And see, coated. Then we're gonna do this one. Orange, I think it's orange. No, strawberry. Then once you're done with the whole process with everything, you're gonna leave it in the refrigerator for like, in the freezer for an hour. I think that was orange or either, I think this one orange. But you just can't see it orange. I am the only one eating this, you guys, so y'all don't got to worry about. I'm gonna be back with the rest.
A few minutes later.
Now I am putting the grapes on these 2 bits. It will make the process faster. See, I already started right here. I'm back when I dip them in because I don't want to make this video too long. See, I'm almost done. Almost done. Now we're going to do them. And mind you, this is my first time doing this, you guys. I'll be back once I'm finished. They are done. We want to put them in the freezer for an hour, and I'll be back with the results. They are done. We're going to put them in this bowl. Mmm. 10 out of 10. This is good. This will be the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.